Hi, friends. Welcome to Brain Quest. Today, we are going on a colorful adventure into the world of vegetables. Do you like eating vegetables? Yay! Vegetables are super healthy and help us grow big and strong. Let's meet some amazing veggies. Carrot. Look at this bright orange vegetable. This is a carrot. Carrots help us see better in the dark. Can you pretend to munch on a crunchy carrot? Crunch. Crunch. Tomato. Is a tomato a vegetable or a fruit? Surprise! It's actually a fruit. But we still call it a vegetable. Tomatoes make yummy ketchup and soup. Broccoli. This is broccoli. It looks like a tiny tree. Eating broccoli makes us super strong. Can you pretend to be a big, strong tree? Yeah. Corn. Look at this yellow vegetable. It's corn. Corn is sweet and tasty. Popcorn is made from corn. Do you like popcorn? Yay! Potato. This is a potato. It can turn into yummy fries, mashed potatoes, and even chips. But remember, eating too many fries isn't healthy. Let's eat potatoes in a healthy way. Cucumber. Cucumbers are green and full of water, which keeps us hydrated. They taste great in salads and sandwiches. Spinach. Spinach is packed with iron, which makes our muscles strong. You can eat it raw in salads or cooked in yummy dishes. Bell pepper. Bell peppers come in red, green, yellow, and orange, making food colorful. They are crunchy and slightly sweet. Pumpkin. Pumpkins are big and orange, and we use them for pies and soups. They are also carved into jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween. Onion. Onions add lots of flavor to food, but they can make us cry when we cut them. They can be eaten raw or cooked in different dishes. Garlic. Garlic is small but full of strong flavor and is great for keeping colds away. It is used in many dishes to add a delicious taste. Cauliflower. Cauliflower looks like broccoli but is white and has a mild flavor. You can roast it, steam it, or even turn it into a pizza crust. Eggplant. Eggplants are purple and soft when cooked, making them great for dishes like lasagna. They soak up flavors really well. Zucchini. Zucchinis are green and look like cucumbers but are softer inside. They taste great in stir-fries and even in bread. Radish. Radishes are crunchy and a little spicy, making them fun to eat. They can be red, pink, or white. Lettuce. Lettuce is the main ingredient in salads and gives them a fresh crunch. It comes in different types, like romaine and iceberg. Peas. Peas are tiny green balls that pop in your mouth when you eat them. They grow inside little pods on a plant. Cabbage. Cabbage is big and round, and it can be eaten raw or cooked. It's great for making coleslaw and stir-fried dishes. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are orange and sweeter than regular potatoes. They are great for roasting and making pies. Mushroom. Mushrooms aren't plants, but they are still a yummy vegetable. They add a delicious earthy flavor to soups and pizzas. Beetroot. Beetroots turn everything pink, even your hands when you cut them. They are super healthy and full of vitamins. Okra. Okra is also called lady's fingers because of its shape. It's often used in soups and stews. Celery. Celery is long and crunchy, and it tastes great with peanut butter. It has a lot of water, which keeps us hydrated. Chili pepper. Chili peppers are very spicy and add heat to food. They come in different colors and levels of spiciness. Asparagus. Asparagus is a long, green vegetable that tastes great when roasted. It's full of vitamins and helps our body stay strong. Wow! We met so many colorful and yummy vegetables today. Which vegetable is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun videos.